Hey, y'all, I got sent over this label printer. It's a thermal label printer. You can hook it up to Bluetooth on your phone or on your computer, just however you would like to hook it up. I'm going to get this box open, maybe, and go over I'm going to get the box open, see what we got here, and we'll go from there. Like we have some QR codes to scan to get the app to put on your phone. You can also hook it up to your computer and download the app through your computer, the drivers for it. It comes with your owner's manual or your user manual and a adapter for USB-A to C. Also have the USB cord that goes from the printer to the computer. And we have our power cord and our printer itself. Factory testing sample, okay. I guess that's where they test it, make sure it's gonna work okay. Just push the little tabs, there's one here and one here. You'll be able to push those and open this up. There we go, take out the testing sample. On the back here, this is where the one cord is going to plug in right here. And that'll plug into your computer. And right beside that, you have the power cord. On top, we have the power button. Feels pretty good. It's a hardened plastic. Doesn't feel real cheap. As I said, you have the user manual, and we have some sample sheets here to get you started. We will simply put these in. Like I said, pull the little levers, slide that like so. This will come from the back and go forward. Paper in like that. Go right up to the edge of the black, and then you should be good. And we're going to get it plugged in and powered up. Then we'll get the app installed and print something. Okay. Also on the back, I didn't show you, is your power switch. It is right here. We'll turn it on. We have a little blue light. You might have heard it beep. We are good to go. We'll get the app installed and go from there. Phone, turn the camera on. Click to download. Install. Okay, that is finished installing. We will hit open. Scan barcode, QR code, insert picture printing, connect to printer. We will agree. Device not connected. We will hit the connect. Permission request, go to allow. While using the app, allow. It is searching now, and it found it. So we will hit connect. Pair, and we are paired and connected. You go to your settings there and adjust your density, your speed, paper type, different settings there. Now we're going to, let's just see what we have in the templates. Have these nice little thank yous. Let's do a quick little thank you here. Font missing, 2 fonts missing. We'll download those fonts real quick. We should be good to go. Now we'll hit print. Voila. Probably didn't have the paper loaded good. Let's print another one. There we go. That looks better. Now your little teeth to tear your paper is on the top side. So just take this and pull up, and it'll pull straight off. And there you go. Look at that. Easy peasy. Nothing to it. And if you wanted to print your own QR codes, shipping labels, there's all kinds of templates in here. You have different labels there. All kinds of stuff. Got Halloween here. We're a long way from Halloween. Looks like there's a lot of Halloween stuff. Let's go to birthdays. I'm going to do a happy birthday. And right here, I got to download the font. Right here, you can resize it. Go into here. You can size it however you need to. Anyway, that's the way you do it. Then we could hit print. And then we'll hit print again. Orientation, you can turn this, it looks like. Yeah, you can turn it. You can pick out the number of copies you want. If you want 1, 2, or 3. Oh, you could print a bunch of copies. I don't know how high that will go. Hold your finger down and it'll go up fast. Looks like it'll go to 99 copies. That would be a lot of labels. But anyway, you got ready to print. You just hit print. And there you go, a printed label. Nothing to it, really simple and basic. You don't have to overthink this. You saw how easy it was to get it hooked up. Very cool. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Got a lot of different products on here that I have done box openings and reviews on. So go ahead and subscribe. You never know what you might find. There you have it. Definitely a thumbs up. I like it. Easy. Nothing to it. And that's what I like about it. It's easy. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.